I'm being tortured to death. I'm in bed, and they're all trying to mind control me to die while they're playing with themselves.